Howdy. I am going to be explaining to the best of my ability about calling methods, right? So, first and foremost, a method cannot be inside of the main here. So, you see this bracket goes down to here. So, this is the main. This is what we will be this is what will be doing most of the work, I guess you could say. And what we did down here in this public static int product with these values inside of here is we essentially created what is called a method that does something that we didn't want to put in the main and that we can call on to put in the main for later. So in this case, um, what we did is we have that we initialized int input 1 and input 2 as integers so that way they can be used in the method. And so what we did is then we initialized product with integer. So that way, whenever we did the multiplication, it would be an integer and we wouldn't have just an error going around all the way. And so after that, we then did the multiplication and we have it saying return product. Whenever you're doing a method, you use return. You don't use a print line like everything, like what you would do in here in the main. So this method does not get called unless we call it in the main. So for example, we'll have this print line, hi YouTube, and then we initialize num1 and num2, and then we told num1 and num2 to be inputted as some sort of integer. And then what we did was we initialized result here as an integer, and we set it equal to the return value of product of these two input values. So num1 and num2 will respectively be going in place of where input 1 and input 2 are in the method. So for example, I already have it compiled in here. Yeah, don't look at all the errors. I know it's kind of ugly. But what we'll do is we will just go ahead and run it. And we'll have hi YouTube. And then we'll just be called to, input some value. So we'll say 7. Why not? And what sum we know is good. We'll say 7 again. We know that's 49. And we say the product of 7 and 7 is 49. So we have this print line statement that says the product of num1, which is right here, and num2 is right here, and then the result, which is the return value of product, which is this method. So methods are very useful and they come in handy a lot, and they're just something that can be very universal and able to use in just about anything. They're very useful and awesome. So that is all I can really say about them for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.